True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I am in St. Elizabeth. Yeah man, St. Elizabeth, we know the bread baskets. And I always pass this area, Southfield, small, them call it Southfield Square. I know a lot of people may be looking for properties and want to live in this area. So I'm gonna give you a walkthrough about 5 minutes or so in this town area. So normally you have your ATM machine, you have your farm store, you have your Western Union. So I'm gonna give you a tour in this small town area, guys. Stick and stay. So yes, my beautiful people, so this is the town area. It's the Southfield. Yeah, man. So you have your ATM machine, also your farm store, which is F&V Farm Store. So leave in the comment section where you're watching from. And also you have the Western Union right here. And your supermarket. Yeah man, I'm talking to you. Like up the video free of cost. Just like giving a walkthrough. Yeah man, we have a nice work of art right here. Yeah man, so we walk and go through the same way. This is a beautiful town here, guys. Morning. So leave in the comment section and tell me what you think, you know. So this is very close to Lovers Leap Junction. It's about 15 minutes drive to Junction Town, guys. Yeah man, so now have no gas station, also no restaurants. Yeah man, I can't get no food, no yam, cabbage and Irish, you know. So we are going to that direction. We will go to Lovers Leap. The boss a jag here tonight, you know. No place like in the countryside. That's St. Elizabeth, Southfield. Man, very looking nice town here. Have them pharmacy up there. They have them supermarket, hardware. So when you come to Southfield, this is the #1 stop in hardware in Southfield. It's a C&A Parchment and Son Hardware. Yeah man, you need to come get the things right here. Very reasonable, guys. same time, I don't have a meat shop and everything in this area. Look at the view, guys. At the small town area. Still have a meat shop and seafood right here. Oh, go on, so. So you all need to visit Lover's Leap in St. Elizabeth. That is where two lovers leap. Yeah man, you can come over there and come have a nice seafood. Anything what you prefer. You all need to come on Lover's Leap. So yes, some people may tell us say when you're in the Southfield area, the type of weather in a Southfield, it's very, very cool, guys. No matter how the sun hot, Southfield weather always different. You're getting some nice breeze off of the Monroe, Malvern. Very, very cool climate, guys. Yeah man, tour place and show the people that want to go on in Jamaica, south side St. Elizabeth. You see Southfield also, guys, is a farming area. Yeah man, it's a farming area. A lot of different types of crops grow in this area. So you have some cucumber right here. Yeah man, some lovely cucumber, guys. You have some corn. Big up all the farmer them in St. Elizabeth. Big up on yourself. No place like Jamaica. What a beautiful island, you know. So big up all the farmers them. Big up on yourself, people. Farmers them all over the world. Get up in the early morning, do the farming. That's the way of earning the honest bread. Yeah man. See it now, very close to the Lover's Leap entrance. Yeah man, when they do them walking video, you know, they have to fit. They have to fit like a figure. Yeah man, they have to fit, you know. If you don't fit, a problem. So check this out, my beautiful people. Boss Taurus Riley. And you can see it. Saturday, August 29, Lover's Leap. Yeah man. And also the people them Sunday, July 12. You know, so you have a 5K run or walk. Who interested? Warm up 5:30 a.m. run 6 a.m. So no need for come and check out this. People who like for run who physically fit. Need to check out the same way. Same speed. So I go on a Treasure Beach. right at the entrance at Lovers Leap. So this is a landmark right there, the bus stop. Straight ahead will take you all to Lovers Leap. Yeah man, see it here. So yes, my people, if you learned something about this area, leave in the comment section. Is your boy Fire Reid showing how to go on to St. Elizabeth. Just how to get around. People want to travel to Jamaica, but before you travel, you have an idea how to get around in the area. So big up on yourself, one love, one heart.